go again. Rolex. Look at that right there. GMT Master. Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross, back in the building with another video. And right now, I just want to talk about this movement that's prevalent in the Hamilton Khaki King, okay? This is the ETA caliber H-40, all right? This is the reference, but it's based off of the ETA 2834-2. This is also an automatic movement, 25 joules. The power reserve is 80 hours. Now, being based off of the ETA caliber 2834-2, the reserve on that one is only 38 hours. Frequency on the H-40 is 21,600 versus on the caliber 2834-2, the frequency is 28,800. The caliber 2834-2 is part of the standard Mechaline line of ETA and is still being produced today. It replaced caliber 2834-1 back in 1982. The leader sells a similar movement, the caliber SW240-1, though it has 26 joules instead of 25. Also has a date function with hours, minutes, and seconds hands on it. Now, a few watches that actually use this movement today, the H-40 movement, of course, is the Hamilton Khaki King, the Hamilton Khaki Pilot, the Hamilton Khaki Aviation, Pilot's Day. Now, the H-40 again is based off of the caliber ETA 2834-2. A few watches outside of Hamilton that actually use this is the Certina DS, the Tissot 1 Automatic, and the Tudor Glamour Day. But it seems that Hamilton has improved upon the H-40 movement, with the power reserve being up to 80 versus the 2834-2 reserve being only 38. But the H-40, the frequency coming in at 21,600, while the caliber 2834-2 is coming in at 28,800. The ETA 2800 family currently consists of 6 movements that's been in production since 1982. They are all compact but not particularly slim automatic movements. It's your boy P. Ross. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and drop a like on it. Peace, and we up out of here.